Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how we can use ternary operator in shift. Let's say we want to create a new variable called results based on this boolean. If that is false, we need to set this results value as nothing, but if this condition is true, we need to say something else. Now we can use ternary operator for that. In order to do that in one line, we can say user checked, and now we are checking whether it is equals to true. Now if that is true, the result will be, you have to provide the question symbol, and output of this results will be, let us say, a string data read success. Okay. And if this condition is false, the results will be something else. For example, here nothing. Now we can go ahead and access results variable. Let's print. Okay. Now the output is nothing, that because currently the user checked value is false. Now we are checking here in the ternary operator, it is true, but it is not true because here the value of boolean is false. So this second argument will be passed to this variable value. Okay.